Hey guys, what's up? We're going through the Trinity system strategy, which is a step-by-step strategy to help you make money selling naked puts. Again, this is going to be on the S&P 500 or SPY. It's going to help you outperform the market and has an 87% win rate. So let's walk through the exact steps you need to put on this trade. Now again, this trade and rules are coming straight from the Ultimate List of SPY Trading Strategies PDF. You can get this for free, linked down below in the description. But basically, I went through the internet and I found all the best performing strategies that were back tested, and this is what it is. Now, strategy number 7, the Trinity system, is what we're going over in today's video. So number 7 here is this. It was found on financialtechwiz.com, and again, it's a simple strategy based on the idea that the market is overall bullish and options selling is profitable long term due to theta decay. All right, so here are the rules. Okay, actually, first let's show the back test so you can have some proof. You can see here the blue line is a look at this strategy and the performance of it compared to the red line, which is the S&P 500 over time. You can see here the S&P 500 has done its thing since roughly 2005 to roughly 2021, and you can see here the blue line really, although it does have massive drops down, does dramatically outperform the market long term. Now again, you also have an 87.7% win rate, and again, if you want this system and strategy for yourself, just click down in the description. But the rules for this strategy is quite simple. You go to the S&P 500, which is SPY right here. What you want to do is you want to every week sell a 15 delta put option closest to 90 days until expiration. Now again, it's recommended to do it every single week to generate weekly income. But again, if you only have enough money to do it once a month, the strategy will still work well for you. So anyways, as often as you can, sell a 15 delta put option closest to 90 days until expiration. You'll also use a take profit of 60%, which means that if the option contract decreases in value by 60%, then you'll exit early for a profit. Now, you'll have a stop loss of minus 200. That means that if you sold the options contract at 50 cents, if it goes up to 30.45, oh, so 50, sorry, I'm doing my math wrong. If it goes up to $2, then that means it's going to be time to exit that trade. Because again, 100% growth on $50 is another 50, so that'd be 100, and then another 100% growth would be 200. So again, at $2, you would exit. So again, your losses are going to be large as defined here, and during strict moving down periods, you'll have a lot of losses as shown here. But in the long run, your winners will outnumber your losers, and you'll see this huge win streak. So these are kind of some different approaches when you are trading. Again, this strategy guide right here has option strategies, credit spread strategies, selling puts, normal just stock, swing trading, and day trading. So again, if you want more strategies here, but if you are an options seller, I highly recommend the Trinity system. And again, if you want to read more, go to financialtechwiz.com. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this super short video on this strategy called the Trinity system, please smash that thumbs up button and subscribe button if you want to learn more about options and credit spreads. See you in the next video.